So obviously, robotics is generating a lot of interest. One of the key topics we keep on talking about is all about safety and how we can automate tasks and take people out of the line of fire and then not exposing themselves to danger. So that's clearly generating a lot of interest. People are also asking a lot of questions about return on investment and how automation of tasks can trigger like better life cycle cost and improve asset management practices. And I guess one of the key topics that's starting to appear too is all around aging population and how automation can play a key part in solving that problem. And it's getting harder and harder to attract good, talented people in the rail industry. So clearly, automation can help resolve that problem or alleviate that issue. So yeah, we're having a lot of those conversations these days, and like here at the conference, and yeah, quite excited to be here, and yeah, a lot of like really good people asking a lot of really good questions. So yeah, fun times here.